live at Epcot, Disney World, March 14th, 2018. Free Crazy Lancaster Sibs 2,000 subscriber celebration. Epcot's Illumination firework show. All for you, subscribers. Here are your Sibs. Ella. Catherine.
Okay.
Jaded, freezing,
so
and
when
shivering.
we hit 1 million subscribers, I'm gonna
Mama
watch
C.
this video again.
We are sitting between Italy and Germany at Epcot on a beautiful Wednesday night. Chilly, very cold. But the Sibs are doing this for you, subscribers. The first 2,000.
You can see Magic Kingdom's fireworks.
Yes, if you look off to the right, you can see Magic Kingdom's fireworks at the same time. Everybody applauds for 2,000 subscribers. Let's see what the Sibs have done. The Sibs have made neon headbands, bracelets. Ella has her Mickey ears lit up.
Circles on them.
Pippa has Catherine's on the circles.
This is Auntie. This is Obi.
She's made the whole family. Bracelets, necklaces. The girl is incredible. Here's Jaden. Freezing, shivering. Mama C. Filming. We want to thank.
Pick a random color.
We want to thank all 2,000 subscribers. The first 2,000. This is for you. If you have subscribed, you have been one of the first 2,000. Thank you. This whole trip is for you. There is the Epcot globe in the background. Let's see if we can zoom in on the Epcot globe. It has a video playing on it. There you go. We were just in there at the Spaceshipper. Go check out that video. Spaceshipper. Thank you, everybody.
our Epcot family thanks you for having been with us for Illuminations,
You can see Magic
Reflections of
Kingdom
Earth.
fireworks.
We hope that your visit to the Walt Disney World Resort has been a truly magical experience for you and yours. We wish you a pleasant evening and a
And
safe
there is Magic Kingdom's finale.
Thank you and good night.
That is Magic Kingdom in the background you're looking at.
You were in the way of the.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.